Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat reading a book. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cat reading a book. Let's draw the book first. Here is the cat's paw. It's holding the book nicely. Now I'm using my ruler and my black pen. Okay, now let's draw the cat. I'm filling this portion with black color. Here's its long tail. And this is its nose. The cat is wearing glasses. Now let's draw its mustache. Now let's color the book. To do the coloring, I'm using my orange pencil. I'm using my yellow-orange color. And I'm using my orange pen. And I'm using my pencil a bit. For the final touch-up, I'm using my black pen. Wow, it's looking really cute. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.